Alisha, hi Raj, what are you doing for the summer holidays?
Raj, hey Alisha, I am going to my Nani's house for a week. We go there every summer and it always so much fun.
Alisha, that sounds nice. What do you do at your nanny's house?
Raj, oh, lots of things. We help Nani in the garden, play with our cousins, and she tells us the coolest stories at bedtime.
Alisha, wow, I wish I could come with you. My nanny lives far away, so I don't get to see her often.
Raj, you should come next time. It's always more fun with friends. Plus, Nani makes the best snacks.
Alisha, that would be amazing. Maybe I can convince my parents to plan a visit next summer.
Raj, definitely, it's always a highlight of my summer. We can ride bicycle around the neighborhood and even have a little picnic in Nani's backyard.
Alisha, that sounds like so much fun.
Raj, I will talk to my parents about it. Have a great time at your Nani's house. Raj, thanks Alisha. I will bring back some goodies for you.
See you when I get back.
Like, share and subscribe.